I thought I'd go over the chapter work with you for a moment. And hopefully this will familiarize you even more with this course. So I'm going to click on Lessons, and I'm going to go down and look at the different information you see here. You'll see Angel information, chapter question formatting standards, writing bad news messages. You will want to use that information sometime in the future, and then a website for the administrative professional, which is your textbook. This is for your use and it's not graded. So when I go into chapter 1, I'll see an introduction into chapter 1 to let you know what's coming up, and then a PowerPoint, some multiple choice questions, a folder for the chapter 1 question, and then a discussion forum. I'm going to click on this folder now and look to see what the question is for the week. Here it is. It says review the chapter question formatting standards and the question rubric for this chapter in a Word document. Following the chapter question formatting standards, answer the question shown below in the shaded area. Save the document with the file name, your name, chapter 1 question, and then upload the file to the chapter 1 question Dropbox. So right now I think what I'm going to do is copy this. Let's see if this is going to work. And then I'm going to go back into that folder that says Chapter Question Formatting Standards. So here that is. This first one is just a document that shows screenshots so that you'll see how your document should be laid out. So if you want to click on that and have a look, that's fine. And now I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to save the template for the question formatting standards. So I'm going back into the chapter question formatting standards folder, and then I'm going to open and save this document. This is your template, and it is what you're going to use and fill in for all of your different chapter questions, with a few exceptions. There are going to be a few times that we don't use this. So I'm going to go into File, Save As, and I'm going to give it the file name, the correct file name. So this is going to be my name, Chapter 1 question. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and open that. And right now it says Chapter 1, and we know that we're working on Chapter 1. When we go to Chapter 2, you're going to want to change this to a 2, and also you'll want to change this to a 2. Now remember, I copied the question earlier, so now I'm going to paste it. And when I right click and paste, you have several options here. Probably the best option is to keep the text only, and that way you will have the formatting of the template that we're using. So name and briefly describe the skills, knowledge, attitudes, and personal traits that employers look for in workers. This is the question. The answers, by the way, can be found on pages 7 through 10 in your textbook, and you would put the answers here. For instance, the first answer would be 1. You can number them or not, it doesn't matter. Technical skills, and then it says to give a brief description. Name and briefly describe. Make sure you read all of the question. So technical skills are the ability to apply specialized knowledge and procedures. You can look through this and see the different technical skills that employers value. These include word processing, database management, and on and on. So this is your example. Then you go ahead and you save it and close it, And then you're going to go into the Dropbox that you see right here, and you're going to upload your file. Also, you can look at the rubric before you go to submit. The rubric can be found here. For these first few chapters, I give you it in a separate document so you can look at it and notice the different percentages that you receive. You can also see that rubric here in the Dropbox. Don't worry about just clicking on the Dropbox initially, because you're not going to upload anything until you're ready to. You also can view the grading rubric here. So it's going to give you that same information that I just showed you on another sheet. You're going to put a title in. You can put a message, hi, how are you, but you don't have to. And then you're going to go in and you're going to find your attachment. Here's my attachment with the correct file name. I'm going to upload that, click finished, and then the way that you know that it's in here is that you're going to see a link to it right here. You're going to click submit and OK. And when you see it like this, you know that it has submitted. Before, it was just uploaded, and now it is submitted. Back to the question 1 folder, you have a third item that you want to complete, and that is the discussion forum. So what you do here is you click on this, you read the discussion question, and notice on these discussion forums you can see everyone else's work. On this one, you're asked to give a business that you are interested in, the company name, the structure, the products, the URL or the web address, why you would like to work there, and then respond to one other student's post. So you're going to do all of those things. Remember that when you are responding to this, I've given you a little information here to start with, and it says after you click new post to post your response, you can click view grading rubric at the bottom of the screen to see how your answers will be assessed. So I'm clicking new post, and then I'm going to scroll down, and there's a grading rubric down there. You're going to put a title in your post. You're going to answer all of the questions that you see there, and then you're going to hit submit. The one thing that you can't answer right now is responding to another student's post. You can't do that from that screen. You're going to do that by clicking on another student's name, seeing what they posted, and then hopefully you can see this right at the bottom of the screen. You're going to see reply. So you're going to click on reply and type a reply to your fellow student's post. Okay, after that, after you've done all the stuff that you see in the chapter folder, you are done with that chapter. The next thing you would do is wait for me to grade the question and the discussion forum for you. I hope this helps give you a little intro to how the course is set up. We will have similar procedures for other chapters. Bye for now.